Welcome back to my channel. Here is my... Today I'm making a Jellyfish Princess Lolita outfit. I hope you like it and give this video a thumbs up and a like and leave a comment below. Thank you. Here is the jellyfish hat. We were working on it. As our afterthought, do not put the pearls on the hat. The vest portion of the outfit is 2 layers with a cotton on the inside, and this is the oil slick fabric. Looks like fishnet. I thought this was a perfect match for the costume that I wanted to do. Okay, I'm going to interchange costume and outfit throughout this video. You have to pin both layers together. You want to pin it opposites. So you want the right side out, because when I sew this together, it's going to... because I'm going to put bias on the outside edges, so it doesn't really matter that they're facing out. But here I am pinning it together, making sure it doesn't move underneath the sewing machine. I am getting ready to put it in that sewing machine. I didn't buy very much of the fabric. I think I bought a yard, maybe less than a yard, just enough to do the top portion. I bought a lot of half yards for this outfit. Here's Josephine. I'm pinning it to her. Don't worry, she doesn't feel a thing. Ouch. Okay. The blouse underneath it, I made it for another outfit. It's like a crushed velvet, and I put the pearls, fabric glued the half pearls on the sleeve. I'm not too worried about the edge, because I'm going to doctor up the edge. Let's see what it looks like. I'm going to try it on here. Oh boy. It did turn out nice. Even my earrings match. Oh boy. I think it fits good. I don't like where the seam is on the shoulder, but you know, you learn as you go. I think it looks good. What's next? Let's see. Well, let's put it on Josephine. Get up over her stiff arms. Come on. Come on. There it goes. There it goes. And it looks pretty good. No. If I would do this again, I definitely would put some seashells on there. I might taper it a little bit better. Give it some pockets. Definitely needs pockets. I don't like the pearls. I think it's just because if you move, it can whack you, and it get tangled in the hair, and it just was annoying. A lot of people, when they saw the hat, they said, "Oh, you're a mushroom." No, it wasn't. It was a jellyfish. So the next time we make another hat for this, we will make a with the tentacles hanging down, and we'll make that out of that oil slick material that I've got in my hand. This ended up being for the overlay of the skirt. Here's a genius at work on how I drape, how I'm figuring out where I'm going to put stuff. Here, Josephine, you hold it. Let's see what it looks like under this. So pretty. I love how the colors um, shimmied underneath the light. Oh, here, I'm thinking maybe we should go with a different color skirt. What do you think, Josephine? Hmm? No, it's too light. Way too light. I still haven't, at that point, I still haven't figured out the blue satin was going to end up being the tails of the jacket or the overcoat. A genius. Genius at work. This is the fun part. Get to play with colors. Get to play. So, maybe. We decided on doing a Frankenstein, a man's shirt with a couple other shirts to give me the sleeve effect that I wanted. I really wanted to make it shimmery sleeves here. It turned out okay. Okay, well, let's see. What's next? You. Oh, I'm trying to attach it there. This is my sewing room. Okay, I'm going to show you how I did this hat. So I made a circle of the white fabric, and then I put the shimmery stuff on top of it, smoothed out the creases, and then I laid yet another one over it. Oh, I had to have a hole. That's a hole. Why do I get a hole there? What am I doing? Oh, it wasn't a hole. Those are my pens. Okay, I'm sewing this shimmery fabric on top of that white circle. What am I doing here? What am I doing? What is that? Is it a purse? Is it a bonnet? Oh, I can't remember what I did. Oh no, I know what that is. That's the bow. Yeah, that's the bow. That's the bow. It goes on the back of the dress right there. Yeah, it's a little saggy, but it's gonna work. Okay, so you can see I have this satiny material, and what is, oh, this was, I'm sorry, I can't tell you what this is. um, we pinned this uh, satin ribbon sash around the waist to hide the seam. Uh, Looking back, I think I would make underneath that um, a little stiffer. Maybe put interfacing on the inside um, just to hold up the bow. The bow was really heavy. But I liked how the bow, when you moved the bow, the whole bow moved. It just shimmied to the left, to the right, to the left, to the right. Um, and the sleeves were flowy. It just worked really good. Oh, this is the skirt. I took the measurements and I made a circle skirt, and um, I put elastic on the blue oil slick material, and the white I actually sewed a zipper into that. Oh, the bow's almost finished. I have to attach the bottom of the bow. What do you call those? The bells? That's what the circle was for. Um, so I had two different shades of material for the bow. Here I'm attaching bias so that I could lace up the front. All that bias around the edges looks perfect. It was a perfect color for that. I still have to do this, the armholes. Okay, the bottom of the bow looks pretty good. I put some lace on that. And, oh, here it is. I'm finishing up the armholes with the bias. And I went to Walmart's the other day, and they had their bias tape on clearance for $1. I think I got one for 75 cents. So I ended up buying about a dozen of them just to put in my stash. I put on this gold trim around the vest. Oh, I don't have the blue wig underneath here. We improvised here, so please bear with me. It looks cute. It's cute in the snow. The colors are so blue that they pop against the white of the snow. Trust me, it looked better with the wig, but I liked it. I like how it turned out. It's lacy, like icing on a cake. It's got a lot of personality. The hat was really big, so when you do something like that for the Renaissance, you want to go big. You want to be noticed. Let's see. Hey, where are you going? You going back to Joann's? I'm sorry, it's closed. What? It's closed. Nuts. Well, I'll go someplace else. Okay. Is my hat on straight? Okay, nope, it's not. Let's adjust the camera a little bit better. The hat was heavy. I loved how these sleeves looked. I cut them off a bottom of a shirt and resewed them to the sleeves of another shirt. Okay, later. Don't forget to like this video, leave me a comment, subscribe to my channel for more great videos, and I really appreciate you sticking through the thick and thin. It's been a while to get this video out to you. I hope you really enjoy it. Watch my other videos. I've got tons and tons and tons of them. Almost 800 videos now. Hey. Woohoo. Let's go. Let's go. Do. I'm dancing to my beat of my own drum. Look at that. Thank you. Bye-bye.